Hello everyone. This video is designed to show you how to find your syntax mistakes, fix them, and then successfully run your program. After you finish typing your program into the text editor, you need to run it through the compiler. You can do this in Visual Studio by going to the top of the screen and click on Build right up here. Notice there is a shortcut you can use if you wish, which is to hold down the Control, the Shift, and the B key at the same time. You can see that there, which will also build your program if you do that. When the compiler finishes, you need to check the bottom of the screen where a small window is located and check for errors. Notice at the bottom of the screen I have 4 errors. This window can be moved up and down. There it goes. All right, so I can slide it up and make it bigger where I can see more of the screen if I want to, or smaller if I want. Let's look at each individual error. The first error has a description, cannot open source file. Do you see that? IOSTREM, IOSTREM. Notice it's on line 6. If I follow it all the way across over here, line 6. Let's go to line 6. So up here, line 6, pound include IOSTREM. Oh, let's fix it. I'll make that an A. I want you to notice something as well. If I'd have paid attention when I was typing the program in, I would have noticed this red line under include. That was telling me there's a problem, but I didn't pay attention because I was talking to you. So I'm going to type an A. Look, the red line went away, and so did the error. Now, what was my second error? It said expected semicolon. So the error is on line 21. So if I go to line 21, using namespace std look, I put a colon instead of a semicolon. I'm going to back up. I'm going to fix that. Semicolon. There, I corrected that error. The next error, the third one, but it only shows 2 now because I've corrected them. It says comment unclosed into file, and it's on line 63. So line 63, let's look. Here's my open comment, but look, somehow I don't have a closing comment statement. So let's add that. So there's my star / there. Okay, now let's look down here. We've got some more problems. This says no operator matches these operands. This is line 69. Oh, you know why? I didn't finish this statement because I was getting you guys started. I'm just going to comment that out. Okay? That should get rid of that one. The next one, identifier my is undefined. Right here, line 75, line 75. In my cout statement, I put my GPA is, I put a quote on this side, but I didn't put one on the other side. I'm going to add my quote. There, I got rid of that error. The next error, comment unclose at end of file, line 80. So let's scroll to line 80. Look, once again, I opened my comment, but looks like I lost my / to end it. So I'll just add that / and see what happens. Look, the error disappeared. And it's still complaining about IOSTREM, no such file or directory, but that's on line 6. We've already fixed line 6, so I think I'm in good shape. I'm going to double check line 6. Yeah, I fixed it. All right, so I'm going to go back to build and hit build solution and see if I have any new errors. If you look down here at the bottom again, it says build started. and it gives the name of the file, and then it has the name of our CPP. Look, build 1, succeeded. No failed, no up to date, no skipped. I had a successful run. So now my program, all the syntax errors are gone, but I don't know what my output looks like. I don't know, if I was doing math, I don't know if my results would be correct. So now I have to actually execute my program. So once you get no syntax errors anymore, you get a perfect ending like this, then you go up to the top and you go to debug. But because we've already debugged it, we want to start without debugging, or you could do Control F5 and that would do the same thing. Let's click it, and a window pops up. And look, we are in Foundations of Programming 1. My GPA is 3.85. The year you took this class is 2020. We are in Foundations of Programming 1 and the year is 2020. Remember the output we worked on? This is your output screen, and you'll see your output here. If you need to fix your output, make adjustments, whatever it is you want to do, then you would close this screen and you would go back down to your output or wherever you need to make your correction or changes, and you could make those changes, and then you would want to run it again and see how it looks. Now, what do you do? How do you turn it in? You can use your Microsoft Explorer and go to the location where you're saving your program, or if you want to, you can go to this folder right here and click on it. Inside the folder are all of the values, your project pieces that you need for this program. And if you see the C++ source, that's your CPP file. So you could just right-click that and copy it, and then paste it into Blackboard for your assignment, and you're in good shape. All right, you've got this. Please be sure to post questions in the Q&A discussion area if you need to. Also, remember, you can collaborate in the WebEx area. Just make sure no two programs are exactly alike. Programming is like art, and just like two different people painting the same tree, the two pictures will not look anything alike. No two programmers will program exactly the same. Now, go forth and learn.